I believe going to the gym is the most productive habit to get into, and here is why. Hello, I'm Dylan, I'm 18, and I turn lazy people productive using tactical techniques and strategies that changed my life. I went from someone who spent 210 days of his life playing Call of Duty and other such video games to someone who effortlessly and easily breezes through large banks of his work for his business, education, and personal development goals. In today's video, I'm going to be going over why the gym is the most productive habit, and it's for a simple reason. So, productivity relies on self-image a lot of the time. If you don't see yourself as someone who's productive and gets work done disciplinedly when they look in the mirror, then the likelihood of you completing the work effectively and efficiently is going to be slimmed down because you don't see it in yourself. If you believe you're lazy, unproductive, and undisciplined, then most of the time that self-fulfilling prophecy will ring true in the regard that you will end up manifesting that into your life because you see it as your self-image. The easiest way to counter this is the gym. By going to the gym, you end up increasing your discipline, you start to see the results and the fruit of your labor in your physique, and you'll see the mental calluses be placed on your mind, so whenever you do something hard, you can always think back to the gym session you had earlier today, and realize that nothing's as hard as the stuff you've done so far. So building up your self-image is vitally important to become productive, because if you don't see yourself as someone who can complete the large bank of work that you've set yourself, then you probably won't get it done. It's all to do with how you see yourself in productivity in the most case. And if you see yourself lazy, undisciplined, unmotivated, unproductive, then the self-fulfilling prophecy will again ring true, and you will end up being and becoming those things. So go to the gym. Once you've been to the gym for a couple of weeks, months, even years as such as me, you start to feel the discipline. Like, I am disciplined because I've been to the gym 5 times this week. I'm disciplined because I ran 5 kilometers yesterday. I've just come back from a push session today. It's impossible to disregard the large stack of credibility on your discipline when you've completed this. When you've been to the gym 5 times in 1 week, it's impossible to disregard that stack of proof that you are productive and you get things done. And then it seeps into your self-image. I am productive, I am disciplined, I am motivated to complete this large bank of work because I am someone who goes to the gym 5 times a week and ran 5 kilometers yesterday. So this is just my 2 cents, but I do believe if you increase your self-image via the gym, even if you don't enjoy going, it's still good to go. You get the health benefit and the self-improvement benefit and the self-discipline benefit that seeps into your self-image. So even if you hate lifting weights, which, to be honest, if you've ever done it properly, it's quite hard to hate it. It's an incredible activity, an incredible habit. It's really fun when you go with your friends. So get into the gym. If there's anything you do in 2025, I pray that it's the gym and you implement it. So there's just 2 more things I want to add, and these are a few tips on how you can become consistent in the gym. So the first one is have it set into your schedule. So every single Monday, me and my friend Harry, we go to the gym, we hit a 2-hour full body session. Every single Wednesday afternoon, me, my friend Harry and Toby go to the gym and we hit a back and bicep session. Every single Thursday morning, we hit chest, triceps, shoulders. And then Friday is legs, Saturday, rest, Sunday, run. Boom, it's entrained into the schedule every single week in and week out. As long as you do it 2 weeks in a row, from there I'm sure you'll find it easy to keep it up because it's inbuilt into your schedule. If it's something you do every single Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Sunday, you will get it done because it's set in your schedule. As simple as that. The next tip, have some friends. I mean, I'm hoping if you watch this video, you're not only reliant on parasympathetic relationships. I hope you have people in real life who you're friends with. But Toby and Harry, shout out to those boys. I go to the gym with them every single week. And because of that, it's hard to skip. You have the accountability of your friends who are going there anyways. So if you don't go, they're going to go on their own, and no excuses can be made, really. That's going to increase your frequency if you have friends who go to the gym too. If not, you guys can start together. You guys can rely on each other for confidence as you enter this new environment, and you can learn and grow together, building a stronger and better friendship. That's what me and my friends did. At the start of this year, we started going to the gym uber consistently, and we grow and we learn together, and that's why we're such good friends. So build it into a schedule. Go with friends, and finally reap the reward of productivity. Let it seep into your self-image, become the disciplined guy you've always wanted to be, and I hope you take action on this. If you're looking to get more help from me, the top link in the description will take you to a meeting page where you can book a session with me, and I can turn you from lazy to productive using the same tactics and strategies that changed my life forever. And I hope to see the same result for you. These strategies have helped a lot of people around the world, and I want to help you help yourself. Thank you for watching this video. I appreciate you. Have a good Christmas.